Okay, this is a documentary of us dancing in the rain. The famous quote is, "You haven't lived until you danced in the rain." That is so true. Kelsey, come back! Where are you going? Kelsey! Oh my god, she's leaving me. This is Kelsey dancing in the rain. There she comes. This is how Kelsey dances in the rain. Oh! That took a lot of breath. And when I was on that pole, I was trying to pole dance, and there's a screw on the pole. It's so cold. My vagina, look at that. It hurts really bad. And I was trying to go down it like a stripper, but I think I ripped it. Now I'm not going to be able to have babies.
Oh my.